welcome, people. Today I thought I will make a very amazing recipe. It's known as hummus. It's an Arabic famous dish, and hummus is really healthy to eat because it has sesame seeds and it has chickpeas. Chickpeas are the best protein that you can take. It's so amazing. By the way, this is my beautiful mehendi that I had applied it myself. It looks amazing, right? So yes, today we're making hummus, and I have taken some chickpeas. I don't know what's happened to the camera. I've taken some chickpeas. This is nearly 1 cup of chickpeas, and I'm going to be using sesame seeds, which is also going to be 1 cup. I'm going to blend the sesame seeds to make it a paste. I'm going to make tahini because, as you know, in hummus you have to use tahini, and tahini can be made. You can make it yourself as well. So we will make it with the sesame seeds, and these are the chickpeas, and we will try making hummus for the first time, and we will see that how this recipe comes. Although in hummus they usually use uh, a lot of olive oil, olives and all that. I don't have any olives with me, but I'm just going to make my version of the I'm just going to make my version of the hummus, and I will show it to you. And this can just be it. It's a really amazing Arabic food, and this is what sesame seeds look like, and this is a very healthy dish. So you can give it a try. You can see I've taken my sesame seeds and I have to roast the sesame seeds, okay, because then it will be easy for me to grind it for making the tahini sauce, and what we will use in our hummus. And I'm going to slightly brown these sesame seeds, roast the sesame seeds, and have kept the stove on a very low medium flame. You don't need it to be very high, otherwise your sesame seeds may burn. So keep it on a very low medium speed, let it roast a bit, and then we will take them out. You can see that the sesame seeds are have changed in color, and they have become a little bit roasted now, and I just wanted them to become nicely roasted, and then only we will blend it together. And now I think after 10-15 minutes, after it's turned nice and brownish, you can see this. Yeah. Now I am going to close the stove. Guys, today we are making a hummus recipe, and this is the most simplest version of making the hummus. For that purpose, this is an Arabic cuisine, and it's really enjoyed in every Arabic country. I'm sure about that. I love it a lot, and I thought I will make this amazing recipe for you. So what I have taken 1 cup chickpeas, 1 cup boiled chickpeas, right? Boiled. If you don't know how to make boiled chickpeas, then you can just take tin chickpeas. It has to be very soft, otherwise you're not going to be able to make it. So it has to be very soft. This is sesame seeds. Remember I showed you the roasted sesame seeds? I made a paste out of it. It has to look like this in the blender, because with the sesame seeds I'm going to make tahini sauce for the hummus. So everything is being made by scratch, okay? And this is what the tahini looks after it has blended very well, blended and coursed. You need to use a good blender, I mean a chopper. I believe I've used a chopper for this purpose. Just let me show you. um where's the yeah I've used I've used this kind of a chopper to blend the entire sesame seeds, and it's come like a really pasty form, which is going to be good when I'm going to make the tahini. I have taken some lemon juice. I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice. I have taken 1 tablespoon of minced chopped garlic. You can also mince the garlic. I've taken 1 tablespoon, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, and I've taken 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we are going to make the tahini, which is with the sesame seeds. This is sesame seeds, nearly half cup sesame seeds, and this was 1 cup of chickpea. So this is 6 to 7 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, right? And now let's make the tahini sauce. We are making the tahini sauce. I've put the sesame seed mixture in the blender in the chopper, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoons of olive oil in it, and I'm going to put it in the chopper again for mixing. So guys, I have put my chickpeas inside the blender. I've used a blender so that it could blend well. I'm going to blend it. Now we have our chickpea paste ready. I have blended it in a very smooth paste, and I have our tahini sauce which is ready. And now we are going to make the hummus. We have both the things ready. We have tahini with us, we have the chickpeas with us, and chickpea mixture with us for the hummus. We have olive oil, we have chopped garlic, and we have lemon juice. Now we're going to combine everything together to make this amazing hummus. Any mixture should be like this, in a very very smooth consistency. Like this. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to blend everything. I've put the tahini sauce, the chickpea paste. I've put the garlic. I have put the lemon juice, and I've also added 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we are going to blend. It's absolutely ready. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to drizzle it up with a bit of olive oil. I'm going to drizzle that with olive oil. If you want, you can also add olives into it so the presentation can look really nice. I'm just going to put a little bit, maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. This is what you can see. I've put the olive oil, and that's it. The hummus recipe is absolutely ready. You can see how creamy I have blended the texture into. This is what you want when you're making a hummus. So enjoy it. You can also decorate it with olives as well, black olives, green olives, anything you like. You can sprinkle some paprika in it. Hummus is absolutely ready. I have sprinkled it with a little bit paprika, olive oil, and amazing it looks, guys. Please make this recipe, subscribe to my channel, guys, and share this recipe and give your comments.